Yeah, mania is in full effect. So when I went in this beauty supply store, I literally wanted to buy everything. I wanted to buy everything they had in the store. Oh my God. I'll be the first one to admit, I really didn't need none of this shit I bought. I went in there for bobby pins and I got distracted. Look, do y'all remember these? I don't even know what you call them. From back in the day. Y'all, they had everything in this daggone beauty supply store. I repeat, I needed none of this, but this is the stuff I bought. For this twist out, I know I want my hair pinned up on the side. So that's what you see me doing now, just pinning the side up. And never mind that little piece that's sticking out, is just, yeah. So I'm doing flat twists all over my head. And you know you're supposed to twist the hair in the direction you want it to fall. So I want the hair to fall flat down, well, over to the right. So that's the way I'm twisting the hair. You can see right here. Okay, let's get into this takedown. So I don't know. I don't know. I just felt like I had the magic hands this time because y'all, this twist out. Look at my face. Y'all, this twist out. It was so pretty. It was so defined. It was so cute. Don't mind that little part sticking up. I fixed it, but y'all, yeah, I fixed that little part that's sticking up. But yes, my hair was so cute. If this is your first time watching, I hope you enjoy and I hope you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below and a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.